Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font on Windows. Unlike many other operating systems, Windows does not provide a simple, built-in setting for a system-wide font change. Instead, we'll delve into the Windows Registry, a powerful tool that allows for deep customization. This method involves creating a small registry file to tell your system which font to use by default. It's a bit more involved, but completely achievable. Before we dive into the registry editor, there are a couple of crucial preparation steps. First, you need to know the precise name of the font you want to use. You can find this in your fonts folder within the control panel. Next, open a simple text editor like Notepad. We'll be pasting a specific script into this file, which will then be saved as a registry entry. Remember to carefully replace the placeholder font name in the script with your exact chosen font. Once your Notepad file is ready with the correct font name, save it with a reg extension. For instance, you could name it My Font, Reg. After saving, simply double-click this new file. Windows will then ask for confirmation to merge the changes into your registry. Click Yes to proceed. Finally, and this is important, you must restart your computer. The new default font will then be applied across your entire Windows operating system. If you ever wish to revert to the original Windows default font, which is Segoe UI, you can create another simple reg file with specific commands to restore it. Alternatively, if you find this process a bit too technical, there are several excellent third-party customization tools available that offer a more user-friendly interface for managing system fonts. Remember, it's always a good practice to back up your registry before making any significant modifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.